How to find hidden apps on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you find your hidden apps on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to come on your app library on your iPhone. For that, simply swipe right. After you come on the app library section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the section hidden. After you tap on that, you'll have to just verify with your Face ID. After you verify with your Face ID, you'll be able to find all hidden application on that section. After that, you can also unhide that application. For that, simply tap and hold. Now from here, tap on Don't Require Face ID. After that, that application will be unhide. And that's it. This is the method to find and unhide the application on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.